The Expression of Emotion. Video presentation by Yunita, Faisal and Suganya. Each and every day, we spend time witnessing the emotions of others, interpreting what this signal might mean, determining how to respond to and deal with our own complex emotional experiences. Emotions in psychology and research. Researchers have devoted a great deal of energy toward understanding the purpose of emotions and theories about how and why emotions occur. We express our emotions in a number of different ways, which is through verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and facial expressions. Are emotional expressions universal? In the book of The Expression of the Emotions in Man and Animals, famed naturalist Charles Darwin argued that human expressions of emotion were both innate and universal across cultures. Researcher and emotion expert Paul Ekman has found that the facial expressions used to convey basic emotions tend to be same across cultures. Do you know that human face is capable of creating an astonishing variety of expressions, more than 7,000? There are 6 key basic emotions, which is happiness, surprise, sadness, anger, disgust, and fear. Cultural variations in emotional expression. Display rules are the differences in how we manage our facial expressions according to social and cultural expectations. In one classic experiment, researchers watched Japanese and American participants as they viewed grisly images and videos of things such as amputations and surgeries. As a result, from both backgrounds showed similar facial expressions, grimacing and conveying disgust at the gory images. When a scientist was present in the room as the participants viewed these scenes, the Japanese participants masked their feelings and kept neutral facial expressions. Why would the presence of scientists change how these viewers responded? In Japanese culture, it is considered offensive to reveal negative emotions in the presence of an authority figure. By masking their expressions, the Japanese viewers were adhering to the display rules of their culture. What is emotional quotient? Emotional quotient or EQ is a capability of individuals to recognize their own emotions, discern between different feelings and label them appropriately. Your EQ is the level of your ability to understand other people, what motivates them and how to work cooperatively with them. Howard Gardner, 1975. There are totally 5 categories of emotional intelligence. First, self-awareness. It's your ability to recognize your own emotions and feelings. 2. Self-regulation. People often control and manage over emotions that experienced before. 3. Motivation. Motivate yourself for achievement requires clear goals and a positive attitude. 4. Empathy. The ability of individual to know how people feel and have some empathy for them. This can lead them to success in life. 5. Social skills. Development of interpersonal skills in individual will make you to understand better and have empathy. Lies. People tell lies and deceive others for many reasons. Lying is a defense mechanism used to avoid trouble with law authority figures and law. How lie detectors work. Polygraphs. Lie detector instrument that monitor a person's physiological reaction. They can only detect whether deceptive behavior is being displayed. Polygraphs instrument, a combination of medical devices that are used to monitor changes occurring in body. For example, see the person's heart rate, blood pressure, respiratory rate, and electrodermal activity. Polygraph exams, most often associated with criminal investigations, and many governments, entities, and private sectors employers will require to undergo a polygraph exam. Polygraph examinations, subjected to stress such as stress associated with deception. For the conclusion, the ability to express and interpret emotions play an essential part of our daily lives. While many expressions of emotion are innate and likely hardwired in the brain, there are many other factors that influence how we reveal our inner feelings. Thank you for watching. Bye!